And Arvind Kejriwal is set to surrender today. His bail concludes. And look at what's happening. On your screens are pictures of Arvind Kejriwal along with his wife Sunita Kejriwal. They visited Rajghat along with the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. Many are calling this a surrender parade. Our reporter Sabyasachi was there on the spot. Let's listen in. Let's watch that report that Sabyasachi has filed.
Well, we are live from Rajghat, and on your screen you can see Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, along with the entire cabinet of the national capital, and with the Chief Minister of Punjab, Mr. Bhagwant Mann. All of them have paid their respect and homage to Mahatma Gandhi and are now coming towards the exit gate. Now from Rajghat, Arvind Kejriwal with his delegation would go to the Hanuman temple here in the national capital at Connaught Place, and after visiting the Hanuman Mandir, he would head towards the party office where he would be speaking with the party workers over there. Now that particular message from Arvind Kejriwal would be extremely important. See, it is very important to note that Arvind Kejriwal has not got any relief from the Supreme Court and from the lower court as well. Now Arvind Kejriwal has to.
And Shivani joins us live. She is at Connaught Place at the Prachin Hanuman Mandir where Arvind Kejriwal has reached. Shivani, tell us what you're seeing around you.
Arvind Kejriwal is here with Sunita Kejriwal, and he is going inside the Hanuman temple where he has just reached, and from here he will be going to the party office. Arvind Kejriwal today surrenders and goes back to Tihar jail, and now before going to jail he first went to Rajghat after coming out from his residence. Then he has come to CP's Hanuman Mandir. You see, this is the special barricaded passage that has been created for CM Arvind Kejriwal while he comes to the Hanuman temple here at Connaught Place, and he is accompanied by his wife, his family, and the security personnel who are also with him. There is a high security arrangement here at CP's Hanuman Mandir where Arvind Kejriwal has come to for darshan before he goes back to Tihar jail today, because his bail concludes, and now he will be in Tihar jail, and after moving from Hanuman Mandir he'll be going straight to the party office at ITO at Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg. You can see this is the movement here of Arvind Kejriwal along with his family, and he will be going to the party office from Connaught Place temple. You remember when Arvind Kejriwal was going to the jail, he had gone to Rajghat then too, and today also he went to Rajghat first. Now he's at the temple where we are showing you the live pictures of Hanuman Mandir, and you see whole lot of security arrangements out here for Arvind Kejriwal, and this is the special preparation that has been done by the police and by the security forces at CP's Hanuman Mandir. This is the Prachin Hanuman Mandir where Arvind Kejriwal has come. You see the security arrangements out here, and this is a different way which has been created for Arvind Kejriwal. These barricades that have been made here for him, and he is inside the temple right now, and from here he will be heading straight to the party office where he will be addressing the workers. So Arvind Kejriwal, before going to Tihar jail, he is here at Hanuman Mandir, the Prachin Hanuman Mandir, where he is inside the temple.
Yes.
Right now he is offering his prayers to Bhagwan Hanuman today, and now from here he will be going towards
all right. Live pictures coming in from the national capital, Shivani. Live pictures of Arvind Kejriwal, who's set to surrender in Tihar jail today. Since the time he's been out of jail, Aam Aadmi Party rocked by scandal after scandal. Today, this surrender parade, the Bharatiya Janata Party is calling it nothing but an attempt to garner sympathy. We'll have to take a short break here on Times Now. Stay with us as we'll get you the live updates after this short break.